update. It's kind of overcast today. I'm in the greenhouse and we still have these plants here. Here are the tomato plants that I just put in these pots to keep them alive, but I have not transplanted them into their own containers. But they're hanging in there. Here's a little bit of lettuce that's coming up. Just trying to see how that variety works. I'm not worrying about eating that right now. Okay, Vinca's doing well. And these mini tomato plants, I don't know. They will flower. Let's see, like I see something going on here. I don't know. I keep pampering those and they just don't look good to me. My zinnias look well. And these are some house plants. Now this is what they call it, a Swiss cheese philodendron, or this like Monsteria. And yeah. Now when I saw this plant at my Lidl, it was like $9.99. And that week before, I was on Home Depot's website, and they had these Monsterias for $199. It wasn't like this exact variety. Let's see here. What is this one? This one, like I said, Swiss cheese philodendron. And down here says Monsteria Adonsai. I don't know if you can see that. So that's what it is. It's still a Monsteria plant to me. You know, still a Monstera, a monster. And I had these in the house for 2 days, and then I said, oh no, it's warm out. Plants need to be outside. But they take indirect sun, so they've been flourishing out here. They were kind of floppy, so I put some stakes on them. I want them to grow upright. Okay, and I have this plant here. What is this? Is dumb cane. So these were like on sale at my local Lidl. Let's see, what is the temperature today? It is 65 degrees in here. And here are those little starts of lettuce in here. I decided to bring them outside, and I want to see how they perform. I just broadcasted them in these pots just to see what's going on. Okay, and here are my house plants here. Here's some succulents. I had another one just like that. I potted it in a terracotta pot, and something happened and it died. It was so beautiful until I repotted it. Okay, then I repotted all of these, my crotons, and put them all in terracotta pot. Here's like a combo. These pots, I got those from Lidl. These pretty ones, these really decorative ones. Like that one, that's my favorite one. Got them, no, I got those, yeah, from Aldi. So they're doing well in the greenhouse. They like it out here. I still haven't repotted these. These need to be up potted. They're hanging in there. These are some new lettuce starts right here. I just did these yesterday. So we're going to see them. I put one seed in each cell. So let's see how that works out. And here's some of my other plants here. Little hanging baskets. About a month ago, I transplanted these into this pot. It loves it. This thing has just blown up. It loves it out here. Same thing with these. These are flowers from seed. They're coming up. I got those seeds from Dollar Tree, the cottage garden mix, and just put them in here. See what's going. See what they do. My pepper plants here. They're budding. they'll bud. I got the little stuff going on here. You see that little one? So yeah. So after I pulled my collard greens, my cabbage, and my romaine lettuce, I've just been, just maintaining. Lots been going on. Okay, now here's some of my other house plants out here. So I'll keep them out here as long as the weather's warm. I'll keep them all summer long, but then when it gets fall, I'll clean all of them, all my house plants, get them cleaned up, repotted, new soil, make sure that there's no pest in the soil and everything. Then they'll come inside in the sunroom. Okay, my herbs took a hit, but they're bouncing back. I just put them outside and let them get some rainwater. They're bouncing back. I really care more about this. My little chives are gone. They're gone. My lavender's gone. Okay, you see this? This is the best plant I got going on. I got this, May, March, or April at Lowe's on clearance, and this is the best plant I have. This plant is just thriving, and they were trying to clear it out. Look at this little bitty frog right there. We've been having frogs around. She's doing well out here. Okay, and I don't know what hubby's going to do with this wild strawberry here. Okay, over here, you see, we're getting some tomato blossoms right here. This is the one I didn't prune these, and this one's doing well, these tomatoes. This tomato plant here, I pruned it, but yeah, something's happening. We're getting some little buds right there. Now this is my jalapeno pepper plant. Let me see if you guys, I'm getting a lot of going on. You see this one right here? And I got more coming right. I got another one right here. Let's see, can you see that one? That one. I'm gonna pluck her today. I got a harvest! Yay! June harvest, but there's more popping up. Okay, cucumber plant growing all up. I showed you guys when this thing was just a little start. See my cucumber right here? I'm gonna pick it. They say the first ones aren't that well. Good. Let me see this one. I'm gonna pick it. Look at that. I got two more. I got groceries that I didn't have yesterday. It's clean too. They don't even look this good in the store. So, let's see, I have a couple of more. Oh, let me show you this pepper. Then I have a bell pepper plant. I have a way of always like putting 2 and 3 plants in one pot. And so I got a bell pepper here, and then we got jalapenos over there. Because, I get, when the plants are small and you see this big container, you're like, God, I got room to put something else in there. But then they grow up, they'll produce more if you just put one plant. And y'all, don't sleep on these little trellises from Dollar Tree, because it held these plants up. Like this tomato plant, it held these plants up for a long time. Okay, so that's growing up. You see all of these? It's mostly male. See, there's some female. There's a lot of male flowers. There's a couple of female. The females, they bear the fruit, as always. Okay. Let me see. Hubby's watermelon. These things are just vining out. You see those flowers there? Strawberries. The other day, just yesterday, we had some wild, like, coyotes that came through, and they killed. It wasn't our cat, but it's a cat that always kind of, hangs around here. And those two, they attacked that cat, and they took the head off of it. One took part of the body, the other took the head, and they just kept going. It was like, wow, it's getting real out here. It's survival mode out here. So, guys, and then like the week before, I had a snake, and then I had a neighbor's dog, ran up on me, and so, we can get so enamored with what we're doing. Really got to keep watching our surroundings. It was like, I was just looking out in my flower bed, and I looked, and we have some black gravel, black mulch, and I looked and I saw that black snake with the gold rim. It was a beautiful snake. And I saw that thing. I was like, oh my God, I was just getting ready to go out there. Me and that thing would have met. And then I was out in my doing some planting, just all up in my minding my own business, and that dog, whenever he sees me, he just loves to come over to me. But dogs are killing and maiming neighbors every day. They love you guys. They don't love everybody. And you can't outrun a dog. And people think just because, it's their dog, they can just let them run around. And, you can call the dogs. They'll respond when they feel like it. But if they decide they really want to pursue something, their owners can't catch them. You can't outrun a dog. So they have to be on a leash. And so you have to, watch out. My fellow gardeners, be aware of your surroundings, because you never know what's going to roll up on you, okay? And what's ironic about those two coyotes that they were like in our backyard. Hubby was walking in the front yard going to the car, and then they came around to the front. So always be aware, all right? Okay, so here's my hanging basket of strawberries here. Got those from Lidl. They're doing well. They're those pretty flowers. Aren't they beautiful? You see there's some little strawberries coming through. And hubby had to put them in here now because the animals will start picking at those. Okay, we got a cantaloupe plant here and a watermelon plant here. They're just vining out. Ooh, I see a watermelon coming up down there. Yes, a couple of little small watermelons coming up. Okay, and then there's strawberries back there. They're slowly fruit. The ones I got from the grocery store are doing better than the starts. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have some fruit now. I'm not gonna say we're gonna have a harvest that everybody can eat off of, but we got a little something. Alright, so here is my harvest of the day. I got one jalapeno and one beautiful cucumber. How cute is that? From my own hands. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in today. Got some herbs here. I can make a salad. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. And if you like content like this, I appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. I would love to have you. It's all about having fun and gardening and plants and living our best life, okay? All right, guys. Thanks so much. Bye. Bye, Mom.